All right, so another package from Max Boost came in today. I was supposed to come in tomorrow, actually. So um, I got it. It's kind of big, kind of heavy. It's like a 55-pound box. Maybe a bit overkill, but I'm gonna do another one of these atrocious unboxing videos, so you'll have to bear with me. But pretty excited about this one. This is the Kickstarter for Volume 2. I have a bunch of stuff in there, so I'll start unboxing it and showing everybody along the way. And who knows, I might have some goodies to give away at some point here. So let's dive into it. All right, so here we go. All right. Oh, geez. Well, I will say they didn't do the greatest job of packing it, but so far it doesn't look like that has equated to anything damaging. But anyway, so gold edition number 2. I got a few of these. 2. And then this is the standard edition, and then that would be Scion, Loving the Paper. But we've got some standard edition for Volume 2. Also picked up some additional Volume 1s. You know, it can never have too many Volume 1s. Got some of those. Got another gold book there. We've got the Max Boost license plate frames with the established 1998. These are pretty cool. I'm excited to get these on the car. I normally do not run license plate frames because I don't like them, but I will be making an exception for these. So these will be. This guy is absolutely ridiculous. I can't have anything of my own. So, another standard edition. And there's going to be a lot of books, so bear with me. Lots and lots of books. Let's see, what else we got here? This is the Max Boost flag. So this is like a 3x5 flag. So I'm going to actually take one of these out. I got one of these also for Fred Reed. So I only got one of those for myself, but all right, well, I guess I lied. I have 3 of them. So I've got one for myself, one for Fred, and I don't know, maybe we'll give another one away. And what do we have here? These got some miscellaneous things here. I'll just pull these out. Oh, that's kind of a bummer. So this is a Max Boost decal that they, because of the way that they ship these, didn't really come out that well. They didn't fare too well. So Dennis will want to talk to the folks about that one. But so we've got some sticker pack, and then this was actually Jamal Conless's idea, the Max Boost turtle pin. So the turtle is indicative of the DX EK hatch that Max starts out with in the very first episode of Max Boost in Volume 1. And so we turned it into a pin, and this is one of my favorite things. This is really cool. Have some original prints. And these are all originally done by Dennis throughout the years. this is the cool one with Auto and the Integra Type R that was on the cover of Max Boost, and it's actually signed by Dennis, and it's got all of our names on it from the backers and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. So got some of those. Let's see, what else do we have here? We've got all kinds of goodies. Now let's just start looking at them. So then these are keychains. So it's actually really, really cool. These are big keychains. So they got Max and Auto and Type R, and then Max. This is one of the more iconic Max Boost images from the series when he goes into Racer Max mode. That was from Volume 1. Got a couple more keychains of the Integra with Max and Auto. Let's see what else we have. So then there's also this is actually one of my favorite. Auto is actually one of my favorite characters. I think he's awesome, and he actually kind of reminds me of my best friend Eric back in the day. He was kind of the quiet one who read all the stuff, and I mean, we were both kind of a mix of both of them, but I always kind of viewed him as the Auto of the two of us, and I was the kind of dummy Max guy that went and did the stupid stuff. But so then there's some Peak stickers, window decals, both Max and Auto. Some more Max Boost window decals. Have a red Max Boost lanyard, so I'll pull all this stuff out after I get it all out here. But some more Max Boost sticker packs, the Super Duper sticker. So again, the size of these things are huge. It's awesome. Let's see, more sticker pack, another sticker pack, more stickers. You can kind of guess where things are going with the stickers. And if you know me, you know I am a sucker for pins. I love my racing pins from all of my tracks and whatnot, but you'll kind of tend to see this one's actually really special though. So this is only for backers of both Kickstarters, for Volume 1 and for Volume 2, and it's kind of hard to see, but it's actually kind of like a jeweled design, but it's two piston and rods, just to commemorate being a backer of both Kickstarter 1 and the second Kickstarter. So there's that. We have some Supra Dupra pins, and again, the size, these are huge. These aren't just small little things, and they're pretty neat. I've got a number, as I told you, the Jamal's Turtle Power pin is by far my favorite, so I made sure to get a number of those. And then we've got another Super Dupra, and then we've got Papa Wheelie himself with Yin Yang and Walk. And what else do we have in here? We've got another Papa Wheelie. We have more decals. So some of these are going to just be the white standard decal, and some of them are going to be see, this is a standard decal, and then this is an original backer decal, which is a prism decal. So that's pretty cool. But there's plenty of both. Of course, the original backer ones are not going to be something that we'll be giving away, because those are for those of us who did actually back both Kickstarters. So a little bit more special there. All right, so then again, here's a blue lanyard, another red lanyard. We've got more pins and more keychains. So we got another Racer Max, a couple more Auto. Got a couple more Papa Wheelies. You can tell there's a lot of stuff here. I'm gonna have some fun once I get all this stuff together and can start doing stuff for everybody. cutie car sales. If you know, you know about that. Let's see, we have stuff hiding under boxes as well. But we've got more pins, more keychains, and we have another Super Dupra. All right, so now we've got even more hiding back in the corner. Got another auto and another lanyard. So the blue covers. The blue covers are what I am most excited about. And why is that? So pretty much everybody knows by now, Dennis did a Friends and Influencers cover for Volume 2, and my car is on the cover of it. So I'm not going to open any of the others, but I am going to open this one, because this one I am a little bit excited about, and my cat is having a cow. So, come on. 1 second. Okay, and I am back. So had to go take care of the cat, but now we're back. And as I've said, I'm terrible at these videos, but you know, bear with me. I'm excited. All right. There we go. So you can just barely see, but there's the cover of the car, or on the cover is the Max Boost Civic, just kind of haloed in there. On the back side is the same as all the other covers, just with some car parts and whatnot. And then on the inside is the actual book. And this is awesome. Dennis put in so much work on this, and let's see, let me get back to where I want it to go. There we go. The amount of work that had to go into drawing all of these and all of the detail is just incredible, and I'm really excited about this. I know all the other influencers are really excited about it as well, but just to name them off, obviously this is the Max Boost Civic. This is Memo's Angry Panda 2G Eclipse, Dai Yoshihara's Drift Car, Mickey Andrade's Bad Apple RX-7, his fiance Courtney Day and her S14. We have Honda Pro Jason's FK8, Matt Fields' Corvette. We've got the Big Mike's Prelude, Nick Hogan and his Supra. And then when we come to the back, we have Andres the Car Kid, and Andres, he's a big fan of GTRs. So again, excuse my cat, but he likes GTRs, so Dennis put him there with a GTR. We have Joey, Sticky Diljo's VIP car. We have Bassett Mirza from Import Fest and his EG. Gary King Jr. and his R33 GTR. We have Chase and Blaze from Team Scoundrels and their Drift FCs. We have Wes from Elite Finish, who's also a sponsor of Max Boost, and his Shelby. And we have Frank Downstar and his EG. And last but not least, this guy right there, my S2000. And big thing that I was really excited about and happy about because of all of the work that Chris Bunrock and R-Tune Motorsports did for getting this car done. Very prominently is his logo right up on the top. So very excited about that. Very happy that he was able to do that for me, and that Chris could be included on the cover there. So anyway, so that's it as far as the cover goes. The rest of the books, basically in here these are all going to be influencer covers, because I did get a bunch of those so that I could give them away. Yeah, that's I think going to be it. So, you know, just have to hang in, and as I go through and get stuff all cataloged, I'm going to start giving some stuff away, and you know, we'll go from there. Thanks for dealing with my crazy ass cat. So, talk to you guys later.